Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi and thank you for being with me today. So for today's video, I want to show you what I've got for my birthday. So my birthday was around 3 weeks ago, but life has been really busy recently, guys, so I haven't really had a chance to do this video. Anyways, highways, I'm here now. That's what I'm doing, so that's the main thing. Yeah, if you want to see what I've got for my birthday, keep on watching. I'm going to start with the things that I got for myself, so it's more of from me to me. Like, I think everyone loves doing that, guys, right? Because personally I do love it. I love buying things for myself because I think I deserve it. So yeah, so I'll start with clothing. I don't have a lot, guys, so this won't be a really long video, but the first thing that I bought is this top. So it's a bit crumpled, guys, I'm so sorry because I've used it already, obviously, guys. Yeah, my birthday was 3 weeks ago and I'm not really gonna wait, like, 3 weeks to wear this beauty. So yeah, so this beautiful floral crop top, one shoulder crop top from Zara. What is this? Well, actually, guys, I got this in size extra small because unfortunately they didn't have the size small, guys, and this is the other one they've got. So oh yeah, I squeezed myself into this top and it works all right, so that's fine. And also with that, guys, I bought another thing from Zara, and it's the jeans, the high-waisted jeans from Zara, guys. I like this one because the length is just perfect for me. I'm only 5 foot, guys, so yeah, I'm really short and I'm finding it really hard to find like perfect length jeans for me. But when I went to Zara, I found this one, guys, and yeah, I like this wash, and also I like the bottom part because it's like, I don't know, distressed in the bottom. And also the fact that it's high-waisted, guys, it's a plus because now, I have that pouch in my tummy, guys, and I like hiding it. So this one, the high-waisted jeans, actually helped me hide that fat in my tummy, guys, so that really works well for me. And so that too I bought from Zara. And then I went to buy a pair of shoes, guys, because normally when I buy like clothes, I want it to be like an outfit. So I bought a pair of shoes with it to pair with it, and ta-da! So I love this beautiful hot pink color, guys. So this is just the normal leather, it's not the the shiny patent leather, and this in size 36 because that is my size. But yeah, I just think these are so comfortable, guys, even though it's got bit of heels. But yeah, this is very comfortable and also very cute, so I got myself that. And then also to pair with that, guys, so it will be a whole outfit, I bought a handbag. And this is the bag that I bought, guys. As you can see, it's just the neutral color, guys, so I can pair with everything because with the top that I bought and also the shoes, it's it's already a pop of color. So when it comes to handbag, guys, I just chose these neutral color, guys, so I can pair with everything. So it's just like that. You can also wear it like this, so you can wear it on your shoulder. Whoop, like that. So you've probably seen it on like Instagram and Facebook, guys, because I've worn it a lot since I got it. And yeah, I posted a lot of photos already. So, and that's what it looks inside, guys, just like that. I got a piece of paper and got jewelry inside, guys. Oh lord. But yeah, it's just a little handbag. sometimes, you know, I like having a handbag like this because it's just very, you know, handy when you go out, go to the shop or anything, you know, anywhere, like just casual, you can use this handbag. So that's it, guys. So those are the things that I bought for myself for my birthday, and then I'm gonna show you what I got from my friends and my family. So this one, guys, this cutie is from my friend Ate Marilyn. Hi Ate Maha, thank you for this. I actually took it out from the box already, guys, but this is what it looks like. It's a scented candle, and I can't even bring myself into burning this, guys. Like, this is just too beautiful to burn. Have a look at this. Ooh, that just fell. But it smells so delicious. I can't even explain what the smell is like, but it smells so freaking good, guys, that I don't really want to use it. I just want to use it as decoration in my bedroom. So yeah, I don't think I'll ever going to, you know, use this one. Anyways, that's that. Thank you, Ate Maha. And then the next one I've got, guys, is from Ate Weng. Hi Ate Weng, thank you very much for this. And this is the box. So this is from Prouds, and Ate Weng just got me a set of heart earrings and just a necklace there. That is so beautiful. Thank you, Ate Weng. Until next birthday. So that's what I got. And then my beautiful sister Mimi, guys, she's very thoughtful. She gave me this, a rosary. So I have one in the car because I always have it hanging on the front mirror. And then one day Paris pulled it and then just, yeah, broke it. So the beads went everywhere, and I was, you know, devastated because I've had that rosary for a long time. So I keep saying that I really need to replace it because it just, I don't know, it just makes me feel safer. But yeah, it's just, you know, personal preference really, that I have like a rosary in the car. So on my birthday, actually she gave this to me. So yeah, I was very surprised and very thankful, of course. But this is what it looks like, guys. It's just like a pink rosary. So I haven't hung it in my car as yet, but I'll definitely do very soon. So that's the one I got from my sister, guys. And then I'll show you what I got from Mike's mom. She got me this beautiful teacup and saucer set. Have a look, guys. How cute is that? Oh, thank you, Mom. Yeah, it's actually, I got it the other way around. There you go. It looks so beautiful, guys. And again, because it's beautiful, sometimes it just, you know, like, I don't want to use it, guys. I just want to, you know, use it as a decoration and just look at them. But yeah, that's what I got. And then oh, Kuya Randy actually gave me $50, guys. Thank you, Kuya. Yeah, he gave me $50 because I know, like, you know, he's busy and he just didn't get a chance to buy something. But I did appreciate the $50, Kuya, and it would be nicer if it was 100. I'm joking. And then from the love of my life, guys, Daddy got me this. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. So it's just our photo printed it on like a piece of wood, like a thick wood, as you can see, guys. It's really thick, so it's very durable. It's from memoryblock.com.au. But how thoughtful is that, guys? I actually I took it to work so I can put on my desk at work, and then this week before I came home, I put it in my bag because I said I'm gonna make a video like what I got for my birthday video. So I put it in my bag so I can take it home, and that's what I got. That's so sweet, guys. And also one thing that I got from daddy, guys, apart from love. He always gives me love, guys, but he got me a plane ticket to the Philippines, guys. Yay! Well, me and Paris. So that was his surprise for me, because I kept saying that I want to go to the Philippines, because this year, well, we went to the Philippines January this year, well, December last year to January this year, but normally I go home like Christmas. But this time, guys, because my sister is here with me in Australia, and she's not going home until end of January next year, we're not really going to the Philippines. So I said I really want to go, but yeah, so daddy was very kind and very thoughtful to get us a ticket to fly home on May next year. So May 2020, Paris and I will be in the Philippines to visit the family. I am very, very excited, and also very, very thankful to daddy for you know, buying us the ticket, because it's, you know, I don't know, I miss my family, of course. Obviously, you know, my whole family is in the Philippines, so it's, you know, perfect for us to actually go home. I'll be a bit sad because daddy won't be able to go with us. Unfortunately, he won't have a lot of like leave left, because at the moment he's on paternity leave, so he used all his leave already. But that is fine, you know, we'll be staying in the Philippines for 2 weeks in May, and yeah, very, very excited for that. I am so looking forward for it, and like, you know, thinking already what we're gonna, you know, pack, what we're gonna bring, because it will also be my first time flying with Paris, just, you know, just us two. So it will be interesting, and but it will be exciting for sure. So yeah, yeah, thank you everyone for, you know, for the love, and also for the presents on my birthday. I appreciate it all. Thank you very much. And yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Give this a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button, guys, if you like. I would like you to be all on board, guys. I would like you to be a part of this family. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.